Hi and welcome back. Imagine this. You are a young professional in Nairobi, years of saving finally culminating in the pursuit of your dream home. Excitement fills the air, browsing listings, touring properties, and envisioning the perfect place to call your own. But beneath this excitement, a hidden danger lurks, a potential real estate bubble that could jeopardize your investment. Today, we are delving into the Kenyan real estate market, exploring the possibility of a bubble and its potential impact on property buyers like you. Stay tuned until the end, where we will not only discuss the risks but also introduce a solution to simplify property management if you are already an owner. Meet James. This ambitious that is something is ready to buy his first home. The listings are enticing. Prime locations, modern finishes, and flexible payment plans. Developers and agents paint a rosy picture. Prices are only going up. Buy now or you will miss out. However, there is a catch. Unbeknownst to James, the Kenyan real estate market might be exhibiting signs of a bubble. Properties are being sold at prices exceeding their actual value. Developers are constructing at a rapid pace, yet demand may not be keeping up. If James buys now, he risks overpaying for a property that could significantly depreciate if the bubble bursts. Let's step back and define a real estate bubble. It occurs when property prices are artificially inflated, often fueled by speculation, readily available credit, and unrealistic demand projections. The crux of the issue: bubbles are inherently unsustainable. When they burst, property values plummet, leaving buyers like James with overpriced investments. In Kenya, certain red flags have emerged. Number one, skyrocketing prices in urban centers like Nairobi and Mombasa. Number two, an oversupply of high-end properties with a limited pool of buyers who can afford them. And finally, number three, stalled projects due to poor planning or mismanagement. How does this potential bubble impact you as a property buyer? Number one, overpaying for property. Imagine purchasing a home today for 10 million Kenya shillings, only to see its market value drop to 7 million Kenya shillings when the bubble bursts. That's a 3 million Kenya shillings loss. Number two, difficult selling. If you later decide to sell, finding buyers willing to pay the inflated price could become challenging. Number three, stalled developments. Some developers overpromise and underdeliver. Buyers may pay deposits for properties that are never completed. And finally, number four, economic uncertainty. A burst bubble can negatively impact the broader economy, potentially leading to job losses and reduced purchasing power. Don't despair. You can still make informed real estate decisions by number one, conducting thorough research. Understand market trends and avoid properties priced significantly above the average. Number two, prioritizing value over hype. Invest in properties that align with your long-term needs, not just fleeting trends. And finally, number three, partnering with trusted experts. Collaborate with reputable agents and developers who are transparent about their pricing and project timelines. Now, let's assume you have already invested in property. Managing it can be demanding, especially if you are juggling multiple responsibilities or residing abroad. This is where Veewave Enterprises steps in. We provide comprehensive property management services to ensure your investment is well maintained. For those seeking further simplification, we have developed the Nailah Property Management System. Nailah is a fully automated web-based platform designed to, number one, streamline rent collection with instant notifications. Number two, centralize tenant information in a secure location. And finally, number 3, generate detailed reports for effortless financial management. With Nailah, you can effectively manage your property from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. Whether you are a first-time buyer like James or an experienced property owner, understanding the potential risks of a real estate bubble is crucial. Avoid being blinded by hype. Make informed decisions. And if you are already a property owner, let Veewave Enterprises alleviate the stress of property management. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Share this with anyone considering real estate investments. Let's navigate the journey together. I'm Jerry Mbogwa, and this is your guide to making smarter real estate decisions in Kenya. Explore Veewave Enterprises for comprehensive property management services and the Nailah Property Management System. Visit our website to learn more. See you in the next video.